Gotta get this
to
that speaker, and then to the next.
So you want to grab it first?
grab what?
That.
Yeah, I gotta go there.
Well, yeah, move the ladder.
Let's move the ladder.
Yeah, come to me right through here and wait. And your one leg is gonna be on this side, and my leg's gonna be on this side. We'll go that way.
What are you talking about?
It should be perfect. Watch, I'm setting you up. Watch.
What are you talking about?
I did take some camber out of the front, so instead of it being like this, it's more like that, so it gets the sidewalls more when I turn, so I don't roll or flip over, which has been helping. I also took some compression out of all of the springs, actually, so it gets a little bit lower. And I just tightened the spur gear, so let's see if that helps. And also watching Fast and Furious, #1, to get me in the mood. I know you take a spot, right? Oh, right here. I'm right here. I got it. What's going on here, Adams?
12-8.
Oh, fix that for O'Neal. That's actually going to put him second overall.
12-2. 39.7.
All right, race 4. Safety check. You guys check them in for me. Grant, Raul, Dwayne, Cliff, Solo, Eric, Trigger, and Jeff. Let's check them in, guys.
12-5. 13 flat. 12-7.
That's how it's gonna go for me.
12-4. 14 flat. 12-7.
I didn't expect you to go like that. I'm going over. Hey, it's not a race.
All right, Grant, you're going to stop in Raul, Dwayne, Cliff,
12-6.
Solo, Eric, Trigger, and Jeff. Let's work together, guys.
13-4.
Grant, let's tell him.
12-8.
Raul, Dwayne, Cliff, Solo, Eric, Trigger, and Jeff.
13-2. 12-8. 12-7. 12-9. 15-1. 12-2. 12-8. 12-7.
It's Big Ribbon out front early on, 45 in for 15 to go.
12-7. 12-8. 12-4. 12-8. 12-4. 12-5.
Ladies and gentlemen, 45 to go.
12-7. 12-4. 12-5.
Minute 30 and 3:30 to go.
13-7. 13 flat. 12-8.
Liz, Trigger, Dwayne, Eric, Solo, Jeff, Raul, and Grant. Grant got stuck in the pipe there.
35.9.
Great lead, Glenn.
12-9.
Orange and white, trademark.
14-5. 13 flat.
3 seconds up on Trigger.
13-8. 13 flat.
Oh, there goes the rhythm.
Got Big Ribbon in that number 3 spot. Big top lap. Not a long 19-second lap there. That doesn't help.
16-8.
Coming up next, Pro Drive Buggy, race number 5.
13 flat. 13-2. 12-8. 13-7.
2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes to go.
Oh, I try to give you enough room always. I really need you to set my truck up better. That's what I need.
18 flat.
Fucker.
12-8.
Minute 30, guys. Minute 30.
15-7. 12-8.
Tried.
Cliff Hudson, 8-second lead over McRiven.
12-6. 13 flat.
Fuck me.
13 flat. 13 flat.
45 seconds, guys. 45 seconds.
12-9. 13-1. 12-5. 13-1. 12-4. 33. 19-9.
And keep going, I call you done, guys. Keep going, I call you done.
24.9.
Cliff, you're done. 22 to 505, McRiven. Ended up 1.3 back there again. Very done. Truly done. Raul's done, Solo's done, everybody's done. That is the race. Cliff Hudson, 22-505. Surviving.
Well, why are you still laughing? You happy because what, Cliff?
Chad, I felt it.
I did some more tweaking and tuning, I'm not sure.
14-2.
I think it's my driving.